Okay, this is Ryder. We are going to be firing some BBs. I have the same gun as my previous video on this target. Might be a little bit hard to see, but there's a few rings in the center. I'll tell you how I did after I fire. Now let's do the steps. Safety catch off, crank, aim, and fire. That was a pretty good shot. It hit just above the bullseye. Let's try this bullseye. Okay, this is a little bit worse there. Let's try it again. Okay, that was a bullseye, I think. Yep, bullseye right there. Try it again. No, I'm just mad. Not really, but let's just fire anyway. Woo! Bullseye! Okay, let's try that again. Bullseye again. Okay. That's it for this video. Next time we'll be hitting tops. Bye.